I'm not bothering you. Woke up this morning, no lights, no electric. So, my mechanical inclined son and we are going to try to change it and converter. So he's down there taking the hot part loose. I'm standing up here taking a little part loose by filming him. So we are working on it. I need a stand, honey, because I can't hold this and talk. Hello? Okay, this is a rough way to wake up in the morning. No lights.
It is.
Yeah, I did it. I need a stand. I can't hold this phone.
Okay.
Okay, so now we got to take this easy. Keep that separate because that's hot. Don't let it touch nothing else. You put it right on the wire, son. Hold, stop. Just hold it. Let me get some electric tape. Let me pause this and get some electrical tape. There might be more than one recording.
I know how to put it together.
Huh?
I can put it together. Okay, go put it back in the front.
Oh. What? I want to see it first.
Just clips in.
Yeah.
Is there a button in there?
Okay. Move back, Amaya, please.
Come on, go back. Go back in the front. My phone? Okay, leave it alone.
This might be the hard part.
What's in there plugged up?
Trying to figure out how to wire it.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no,
Here,
no,
go
no,
put it
no,
back in the
no.
front. Don't touch. Go back in the front.
Okay, that's how you wire it. Black and red. Put this one go this.
Go in the front.
Well, take this loose.
Mommy?
Take this loose.
Yes.
You remember this side of
I
it.
love you too.
You remember this side of it.
Go. Bye.
This what get my goat. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. What you? Let me see.
That's that one over there, right?
I'm not trying to lose a screw. Hold on.
Look, the pictures.
Okay, let me see something.
Watch. There's hair. Look.
Sam Hill. Okay. But that went to this one,
Is
right?
that a loose wire?
Didn't that go in here?
I don't know. That's why you pull it. Finally did. That's why you pulled it and it came out. Yeah.
Okay, so this. Black. Give me your phone. Man, please move back, baby.
Here.
You putting shoes on my booty. Let me hold your phone.
Camera. Yeah.
Well, Tony and Michael finished up the inverter, and in the end, we had lights. So that was great. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.